guys, so the first thing I wanted to do in this video was just tell you where I got everything. So this first thing is just this air diffuser. I got this from HomeGoods, so unfortunately I can't link it down below, but it is the scent Ginger Lily and Lotus by GC's Signature. So this next thing I got is just this letterboard, which you can really find anywhere, even at Walmart. I got that at HomeGoods and it was $5, so super affordable. This next thing is, I think, my favorite thing to ever go in one of my rooms. It's just this candle I also got from HomeGoods, and it is in the scent Oatmeal and Honey. This is with essential oil, so I'm really excited for that because I am in love with sweet scents. And this next thing I can actually link for you down below because it is from Amazon, and these are just 8x10 frames that you'll see later on why I got these, but these were really affordable. They were about $8, I believe, for just the whole pack of 4. And this next thing is also from Amazon. This is just contact paper for my desk. Yeah, I want to surprise you guys with the print. It is not something that everybody does, but at the same time it is. I don't know if I'm being confusing. This next thing, I didn't want to open it up, but these are just some prints that I got to go in those frames that I just showed you guys. And that's also from Amazon, and I will link that down below. And this next thing I got, I just wanted to spruce up the room a little bit, so of course I had to get a plant, also from HomeGoods. This was really just like a random find. I wasn't expecting to get this when I went there, and this was not as affordable, but at the same time it was. It was about $15. Ooh, do you know what's coming? I just had to add this to my room. I feel like this is something that everybody puts in their rooms, but I just had to do it. These are just some magazines that I've been collecting. There are these Bazaar, and I have some Vogue magazines. But anyway, that is the end of this clip. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
All of the good things, all of the good things, good things, all of the good, all of the good, all of the good things, all of the good things, all of the good, all of the good.
One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, got to say in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, got to say in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, got to say in my hand. One more time before I go. High powers taking hold on me. I need a one dance, gotta stay in my hand. One more time before I go. High powers taking hold on me. I need a one dance, gotta stay in my hand. One more time before I go. High powers taking hold on me. Time before I go. Time before I go. Taking hold. Time before I go. Time before I go. Taking hold. Time before I go. Time before I go. Taking hold. Time before I go. Time before I go. Taking hold. I need a one dance, stay in my hand. One time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, dance, stay in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, dance, stay in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, dance, stay in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on.
I've been hurt so many times. It got to a point when I decided I can't do this anymore. I need someone to hold me. I need someone that needs me. I need someone that loves me. You need me to get that shit together so we could get together. You need me to get that shit together so we could get together. You need me to. So can you be my Superman? Or will you be my Superman? You know we don't have to be dramatic, just romantic. Do all the little things that it excites me. Hey, is you a woman? Give me a kiss goodnight over the phone when you're working late, when you're out of town. Tell me how much you need it, 'cause we deserve it. We could be together. So can you be my Superman? And can you be my Superman? And will you be my Superman? And can you be my Superman? Can you be mine? Can you be mine? And get it together.
I need a one dance, gotta stay in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, gotta stay in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, gotta stay in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, gotta stay in my hand. One more taking all, taking all. Time for I go, time for I go, taking all, taking all. Time for I go, time for I go, taking all, taking all. Time for I go, time for I go, taking all, taking all. I need a one dance, dance, stay in my hand. One time for I go, higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, dance, stay in my hand. One time for I go, higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, dance, stay in my hand. One time for I go, higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, dance, stay in my hand. One time for I go, higher powers taking a hold on me. Stay in my hand. One more time for I go, higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, gotta stay in my hand. One more time for I go, higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, gotta stay in my hand. One more time for I go, higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, gotta stay in my hand. One more time for I go, higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, gotta stay in my hand. One more time for I go, higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance.
Hey guys, so I just finished remodeling the whole room. I'm just adding some finishing touches to it, and I just wanted to show you guys something that I'm about to do. I've been wanting to get a little coffee table thing to put in here, but I haven't got one yet, so I'm just going to use this as my coffee table. And I've literally been collecting so many bizarre and Vogue magazines, so I'm literally just going to put all of them here because I just really like magazines, and I wanted to add it in here just if I'm feeling stressed or something with everything that I'm studying. I could go back and just like look at this, because every single time I get inspiration from something, it helps me to de-stress a little bit. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It doesn't look extremely cute, but I think it looks good. Guys, so I basically finished up remodeling the whole room. Like I said, I'm still waiting on a coffee table, and I was actually wanting to get like a rock bookend for like all the journals and everything that I have on my desk. I'm gonna make sure to put everything down below that I got, like everything, all the stores and everything that I shopped at to get all this stuff. But most of the stuff is stuff that I reuse, because when I decided to use this as my office, I put everything like in the places that I wanted them to be in, just like thinking about later when I would be able to get all the stuff to make it complete, basically. So it's not completely done, and this is the chair that I'm using. This is the chair that I'm using for my desk and everything. I know it's not the most aesthetic or anything, and I didn't get this chair to put in this office, but I'm still looking for a really good chair to pair with everything in here. As you can see, like I have a lot. It's like mainly white, wood, and pops of blues and reds, and like you can see that in the video. But if you guys have any suggestions for chairs, please make sure to let me know, because I think I want something metal, like something modern, because I feel like it would help tie everything together. I don't want something that's going to be white again. But yeah, let me just show you guys and like tell you why I put things where I did. I just put my book bags in this little corner right here because it's really not that noticeable. Like if you're sitting over here, you can't really see that much. And then I have this little organizer right here because I don't have a drawer with this, and so I thought this would be good to, I don't know, put like if I needed like some bobby pins or anything, because I also want to use this as like a glam room. As you can see with all this right here, these are like my most dressiest outfits ever, or things that I use as staples, like these jackets over here. Yeah, so these are like the staples that I pair with like different outfits. These are the things for like more dressy occasions. And yeah, that's my wig up there, don't be alarmed. But yeah, this is basically it. And I decided to put this right here just to put keys and everything else that I need on there, because I just wanted to do something different. I felt like this area right here was not that, it looked really empty, so yeah. And then I have this plant right here just because I wanted to add something for this wall. I have this light that I'm gonna actually string up here to connect with this one, but I just wanted to add a little bit something else. But yeah, this is my office. So if you guys are wondering why I put these pillows down here, it's just if I feel like I want to get a little bit more comfy, then I can just go ahead and grab one. I felt like this was the perfect area to put it, and I feel like it goes really well with my desk and everything. And then I have just my guitar right here. Disregard the piece of paper, but I just have my guitar right here because yeah, I just wanted to put it in my office if I get bored and I want to do something. But yeah, this is my remodeling of my office. I hope you guys really liked it. I'm going to show you guys at the end how it looked like before and how it looked after. But yeah, please like and share if you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
You should know I want you, but